Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by and watching our video today. I'm Steve.
And I'm Gary.
And we have a video today about tag-along software. If you're wondering what tag-along software is, it's a name we made up, but I think you're going to understand in a minute here why we're calling it that. Have you ever gone to download a program and as you're about to download it, you notice that, hey, there's another program that they want to have included with the software? Well, that's not real cool. And what happens is you get the main program. A lot of times it's something free that you need, maybe something from Adobe, which is going to be an example Gary's going to show you here in a second. And you think you're just getting one program, and it turns out once you install it, oh look, something else got installed. Maybe it's another program, maybe it's a toolbar, it's something you didn't want, you never intended to have, and we're going to show you how to avoid it right now. I'm going to turn it over to Gary, and he's going to give you some explanation on this.
Thanks, Steve. We're going to go ahead and turn to the computer here, and I'm going to start showing you this demo on tag-along software. The first thing we'll want to do is go ahead and open up your browser, whether it's Internet Explorer or Firefox, doesn't really matter. What we're going to be installing today is Adobe Reader. It's a normal program that pretty much everybody needs. We're going to start off by just going to adobe.com. And the Adobe site will load here. I'm going to go ahead and make it full screen so we can see the whole thing. Right here on the page is the Get Adobe Reader. I'll go ahead and click on this. And once again, this is a free program. It's used so you can read PDF files and things, and I'm sure most of you have it on your computer. But when it comes to installing it, Adobe likes to sneak in a little extra. I'll show you right here. This is what we're talking about, where it says also install free McAfee Security Scan Plus. If you have antivirus software, you don't really need this, and honestly, it can probably cause more trouble than what it helps. And they try to throw it in here because McAfee probably pays Adobe some good money to have this here. Once again, a lot of people just don't need it, so the whole point of this is just to show you, keep your eye out for this, and all you really need to do is just uncheck the box, say, no, I don't want this extra stuff, and then go ahead and hit download. From there, your installation will start just like you would plan, and everything will go just fine. You know, like we said, it's not just Adobe programs that can do this. There's a lot of other ones, but this is one of the prominent ones. I think that's just about it, so I'll turn it back to Steve.
And there you go. And it's not just Adobe Reader. We also notice Adobe Flash does the same thing. So just a heads up, those are two programs that almost everybody ends up needing on their PC. And if you're not wanting to get a little tag-along software there, in this case McAfee Scan, but we've also seen it try to install different toolbars from Google or whoever, so you got to watch that. The other thing you have to be aware of is not everybody does it the way Adobe does it. You might download a freeware program thinking, hey, this is just great. You start going through, you hit next, and maybe you get a little crazy with the mouse. And before you know it, you miss the page that said, hey, would you like to install our custom toolbar on your web browser? Be careful. Watch everything that you're installing, every step from the download through every little next button that you're pressing on your install screens. And I guess that about does it for that tip. Just be careful, watch what you're doing, and make sure if you have any questions, you go to worldstart.com/ask. It's at that website right there. Go to that. And head over there, ask us your questions, we want them, and we'll try to get them answered here in the videos. And while you're over at the site, make sure you're signed up for our Computer Tips newsletter, check out our blog, our Facebook page, and that's about it. Have a great day.